Christmas, I had a competition for my customers on my new store at Waitrose London, and I'm just going to post the prizes to the customers today. Hopefully they'll get to the customers their prizes, but it's a bit of a nightmare trying to get to the post box. Just put the bag down. So we have about 9 winners in total. So, whoa. I think I posted one in there that shouldn't have gone in there, but who knows, it might get to its destination. So congratulations to all those winners. Depending how soon, you should get your prizes quite soon. Walking down Victory Plaza now, so the two twin towers in East Village. I wasn't feeling too well this morning. I had a lay-in for about a good couple of hours. I thought I have to get out because I didn't come out yesterday, so you can't get out one day, you have to go out the next day. So this is East Village. They're closed at the moment, but if you want to get a place to rent, you come here. It's the Adagio Hotel. As you can see, the curtains have been fitted in. I think downstairs is actually almost ready for people to come in and start taking in patrons. Let's hope it doesn't get too windy because my new phone isn't waterproof. Even though it's a pretty good phone, it's not IP65. It doesn't bother me too much. Sometimes. For Get Living, they've actually vacated the premises. In this location, on this land, the footprint, what you see now, is going to be another tower. that tower will go up in the next 5 years. So that'll be probably about another 1,000 residents in the village. They have a small cafe there. Grab your morning coffee, snacks. The Stratford International DLR. We've got the cops running about, trying to enforce the law, give penalty notices to people probably. Our Home Secretary, or the Home Secretary, the Home Office Minister, she's now ordered them to start issuing fixed penalty notice. So I reckon in 2022 the courts are going to have a really tough time. They will be blocked out with dealing with all these fixed penalty notices issued to 40,000 people. You know, when Boris can go out and he doesn't get issued a fixed penalty notice, you think, what the hell is that all about? You're vlogging in someone's face. It's not good. Raza from Malaysia, they're open, so you can get your Malaysian food from here. And there's authentic Malaysian food from Malaysia. It looks fairly busy, but not that busy. So the pasta place is open. So it looks like business as usual. But we'll have to see. phones down here. Is that on sale? Oh, 59p? Yeah. Alright, I'll take that. Three sections here. This Waitrose is, compared to some other Waitroses, this Waitrose is quite small. One in Stratford City. You can get quite a lot of different variety of products. They don't have a cheese counter. They got rid of that. They've got a noodle counter now, which is over there. So guys, this is where the vlog ends quite disastrously. I'm just filming what I'm buying.
Yeah, we're not allowed to do filming within the store unless you've got a permit.
A permit?
Yeah, so you need to speak to our press office if you wanted to film in the store, so I just need you to stop recording.
Okay, alright, yeah.
Do you like to turn it off?
Yeah, that's fine. I don't know why people have got issues with cameras.
Well, it's people's privacy. Our partners don't want to be filmed and stuff like that, so...
Yeah, no, that's fine. Yeah. I always think that we're living in a society which is, you've got. So hi guys, so you saw what happened in Waitrose. It was a really unsuccessful visit. I got down to the cheese aisle and a lady come up to me, she goes, oh, you need to have a press pass, or you need to go and see the PR team at head office to get permission to film inside the store. And I said, well, you're wearing a camera. She goes, oh, I'm not recording. I said, look, we should be allowed to film anywhere, but it's a big issue now because like no one can film anywhere. We're losing our rights to really, do our own civil liberties basically. So I think we just need to carry on. Keep your cameras on, keep filming, and keep it alive. Okay, bye. Hi. So it was a really interesting vlog today, and it's the first time I've actually been stopped, and I wasn't expecting myself to be stopped out in the middle of doing my shopping. So obviously you just saw member of staff stopped me and said, oh, can you please stop filming? I said, yeah, absolutely, I'm absolutely fine with that. But I wasn't filming anyone. I was filming all the products that I was buying and the products on the shelf. So it's a difficult time and a difficult topic. And again, I always feel like, everybody has the power of the camera, and everybody has been, has been empowered basically to film, to vlog, to do whatever they want with a camera. It's the most powerful thing that's been invented, and we are being, our right to actually film or to actually capture anything is being taken away. Why is that? Why is it that our own eyes, we record things, but we can't record things because we're looking with our own eyes, but we can't use a camera lens? What's the difference between using a camera lens and using your own eyes? It's just an extra pair of eyes that actually record what you just saw. So why is that an issue with that? And I always feel like, Bollywood, Hollywood, cinematic cinema has been around for such a long time, and we still have a hangover about the lens in your camera or in your face. And we don't complain about the cameras that are in the sky. We don't complain about the cameras that are on your high street. We don't complain about the cameras that are in the store where you're doing your grocery shopping. So, I always feel like now, even though this is the first time I'm vlogging that I've experienced this issue, I think this is almost an issue which the public needs to take in control into their own hands, because it is part of democracy, really, that
Everybody has the right to film, or has the right to use a camera in public. Everywhere is public space when you go out of your front door. So yeah, that's my little stint on that. But I hope you enjoyed today's very short vlog, and I'll see you on the next one. See you later.